What are you doing? What you doing, baby? Emily, what's happening, Munchkin? You have so much to say? Are you done talking?
Yeah.
Emily. Hey, sweetheart. Emily. You talking? Yeah. What else, baby? Are you learning your voice? You're using...